Samsung has recently launched its new flagship Samsung Note 20 Ultra. Let's go through the specification and pricing of the internet. In box, we are getting the Note 20 Ultra with 25-watt fast charger, quick start guide, the SIM ejector tool, and USB-C to C data cable, and AKG brand earphones of C type and some extra earbuds. Note 20 Ultra is having an Infinity O display of 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED Quad HD Plus display with adaptive 120Hz refresh rate.
With Corning Gorilla Glass 7.
It is having ultrasonic on-screen fingerprint scanner. Note 20 Ultra is powered by the Exynos 990 octa-core processor, same as the S20, but it's not getting the Snapdragon 865 Plus in India, with a 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and a UFS 3.1 to 56GB storage. It is getting a hybrid SIM slot with dual Nano SIM and also a eSIM. Coming to camera, it is having a 108 megapixel f1.8 aperture primary cam with OIS and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a zoom camera with up to 5x optical zoom and up to 50x zoom, and also a auto focus laser at rear. To the front, it is having a 10 megapixel selfie cam. The S Pen is placed to the left side of the phone and it is only having a 9 millisecond latency in Note 20 Ultra, which gives a seamless experience of using the S Pen. It is getting a 4500 mAh battery with a 25-watt fast charging, and it also supports wireless charging. The Note 20 Ultra is priced at 1,04,999 rupees in India. Hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching. Until next video, have a great day. Bye bye.